Today, I'm super excited to have the CEO and founder of People and Processes, Inc. on the show, Jeff Shiver. Jeff has over 25 years of experience working in manufacturing and facilities environments. Within Mars North America, he worked at 4 different plant locations, held 2 different corporate roles. In Colombia, he was a vital team member starting a new pet food facility, initiating a predictive maintenance program, and pioneering a plant floor information to the web. Jeff, you started People and Processes in 2006. You've leveraged all of your expertise in mentoring, helping people and organizations, teaching them best practices. Welcome to the show, Jeff. That's quite a bit.
It is, Ryan, and thank you so much, man. I'm just super excited to share some of my knowledge and experiences with your audience. I'm really looking forward to it.
Maybe we could just start off by, sharing a little bit about yourself and your background.
Yeah, actually, you did a great job with part of my background, but prior to Mars, I did contract engineering for Procter & Gamble and also for IBM in Manassas, Virginia. And as you mentioned, I spent the bulk of my career inside the Mars world, both on the confectionery, snack foods, and pet care business units. And within that, I think I held almost every position that was possible. It seems like in a manufacturing facility, short of accounting, for example, but many positions. I was controls engineer in Cleveland, Tennessee, Albany, Georgia. I was part of the startup team you mentioned that built the pet care facility in Columbia, South Carolina. In that facility, I was a controls technician, a reliability technician, actually started a predictive program. I was in IT. I took and using the database and the CMS information and also the historian, the plant historian, I started taking plant floor information and putting it out on the web, on the intranet, before software even existed to really do it. We were actually coding in active server pages to give you an idea how long ago that was. It was really cool, doing that kind of stuff. And then I got promoted into a corporate role doing that. They said, on the pet food side, they said, no, we're going to pull you back onto the snack food side because snack food makes more money. And we want to leverage all this technology in our world as part of that. And so that was great as part of that. Production shift manager, continuous improvement manager, and an operations manager. And that's in the continuous improvement manager role, that was actually like a maintenance manager. So I had other maintenance managers who reported to me, like 100 technicians. So it was a large facility with regard to that. And as you said, we started People and Processes in 2006 with other individuals, and now I'm the sole owner of the company. We're a global consulting and educational services provider. Focus really on providing solutions to do exactly what you're after. How do we educate people and bring them along on their reliability journey and actually help the organizations at the end of the day save jobs? And we never talk about the human cost. We always talk about reliability, but it's really important we talk about the human cost as part of that picture too. So yeah, that's pretty much kind of a good summary.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds like quite the experience and quite the breadth of different roles. You really meant it when you said you held pretty much every single role. Can you share with all of our listeners all the ways that they can connect with you, continue learning from People and Process, and all the things that you've done for the industry?
Sure. And number one, I want to thank you, Ryan, as well, for having the opportunity just to share some of this knowledge. It's a great thing, and how do we leverage it and encourage other people? And then this podcast is a fantastic tool to do that. That said, you can find me on LinkedIn. You can obviously find me at jshiver at peopleandprocesses.com. I'll share with you from a resource standpoint. I have about 60 videos on YouTube at the People and Processes channel, plus my own channel. And then I also have a blog. Unfortunately, I haven't updated it in quite some time, been quite busy, but a blog at plantservices.com. And people would actually ask questions. And it was called Ask Jeff, and the people would ask questions, and I respond to that as part of it. So there's just a few of the resources, but if you do a search on Jeff Shiver, CMRP, or whatever, you'll find just tons and tons of references on Google. So it's not hard to find me or some of the resources that we have available to you at all.